Motivate yourself. One of the best way to get motivated is to be clear about what you want and why you are studying in the first place. Remember that whatever knowledge or skills you are gaining from this course will definitely help you in your career and your everyday encounter with the community. So enjoy what you are doing and everything else will follow. It's very difficult if you are not motivated, you don't like to do anything, right? But let's give it a try because as was stipulated here, it helps you prepare for your future because no one is an island. You have to interact with other people. That is why you have to motivate it. Motivate yourself and be a motivator of others as well. As was said, contact me if any part of the module or lesson you need help and guidance. Do not hesitate to contact me or the other, our director. Okay. As I've said earlier, I cannot be answering you through text because there is a problem with my CP or my cell phone. You can reach me through email or FB Messenger. And of course, we shall be having our group chat as well. Remember, if there is a will, there is a way. Make it positive, no? Do not do this in the negative way. Lastly, check your manners. It is good to go back to your good manners and right conduct. Okay, so remember that this is not only about our academics, but most important are the values you learn from the activities in the module. You are living in a moral and ethical way in whatever you do. And you have to read and understand the MOPG for additional reminders about this. The study schedule, I will leave it to your reading as it was included, or the details was included there. The 5 E's reiterated: engage, explore, explain, elaborate, and evaluate. Now let's go to evaluation. To pass this course, you must read all course readings and answer the pre-assessment, self-assessment activities, and reflection questions. Answer the print-based and online discussion activities. Submit assignments and activities in every term. Do activities and actual performance based on the given topics. Compile and submit portfolio as evidence of your activities and actual performances. So these are part of your evaluation. Now we have the formative assessment. You are required to answer the self-assessment, pre-assessment activities, and reflection questions. So the reflection questions activities are designed to help you critically analyze the course readings for better understanding, while the pre-assessment and assessment activities are designed as a review, management tool, and preparation for the next module. The second one, your answers to the self-assessment activities and reflection questions will be checked and will be a part of your grade participation and completion. Hence, no self-assessment, pre-assessment activities, and reflection questions must be left unanswered. As we all know, or if you do not yet know about this, the computation is different from the other subjects, that even if you will not finish other activities, you will still pass if they are going to compute. But for NSTP, the system in computation is different. That's why you really have to answer everything. Summative assessment, activities and actual performance, answer all activities in part of the module, in each part of the module. This will be part of your final grade. Make sure to check the dates allotted for each module in accomplishing the activities. Second one, for summative assessment, your activities and actual performances to the different topics will be documented. If needed, I will call you by phone for further validation and verification purposes. But most of what I'm going to do shall be for the messenger or in the email. Assignments. There will be assignments that will comprise the final output of the course. The evaluation tools for these assignments and final output are all provided in the module. So there you go. The final output, do not forget, this is the very important portfolio compilation of your activities, actual performance with documentations, video on nationalism and patriotism through the national anthem, Panatang Makabayan, and SLU hymn, TRRM plan, advocacy poster on various fora, and learning, service learning program plan. A step-by-step process is elaborated in the assignment guide. The grading system, as was mentioned earlier, we have a different grading system for NSTP, 60% for the output, product, and performance. The supervising instructor core value integration evaluation, and then the total attendance. You have to take note of this. We have Google Meets, and be sure not to miss the Google Meets, a total of 100%. Technological tools, students without internet connection but with computers or laptop at home will be monitored through printed modules that are scheduled to be sent to them and be submitted back as scheduled. This is on the CBL. Telephone calls, short messages, FB group chat at least once a week. But of course, for us right now, for Google Meets, we shall be having at least 2. Video recording or documentation using their phones that will show the different activities and actual performance based on the given topics. Students with internet connection will be monitored through student portal and through their participation in the Google Classroom discussion forum. Some parts of the materials or the modules given you are taken from the references found after each topic, contextualized according to the nature of the subject and of your field of specialization. Any reproduction of the said materials is not allowed without the consent of the facilitator in charge. So there. Salutations, iyaman unay, thank you, ipoy asnan gawis, let goodness overflow, binadang. And masantos ya agaw ngarem, labi, and mapho de algoyo amin. Diba? So this has been your course facilitator saying thank you and fighting tayo. Okay?